Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Holbrook and Baby Echo, and of course, we have a joke for you today. Knock knock. Mickey. Mickey is lost, that's why I'm knocking. Get it? Mickey, my key. That one took me a second. Not my favorite. But you know what is my favorite? Foundations warm up. Repeat after me. A apple A. B b. D d. E ed e. I itch I. J j. O octopus ah. Q u qu. U uppa. CH ch. TH. And don't forget about the noisy sound. Tickles your tongue. Let's do a few flute sounds. A and K, ink. U and K, unk. And our vowel teams. We learned a new row yesterday that we get to review. Let's start with our long A. AI, bait A. AY, play A. EE, GB. EA, eat E. EY, key E. OI, coin oi. OY, boy oi. OA, boat O. OE, toe O. OW, snow O. OW, plow, ow. Great job. And our R controls. AR, car R. OR, horn or. ER, her IR, birder. UR, burner. Okay. And for our trick words. Dun, dun, dun. Trick words, where are you? Here they are. Some, come. Try to read it before me. Also, very. Two, like me too. Two, like the number. I have two eyes, and they're watching you. Make sure you're echoing and trying to read. Put. Ooh, a whole bunch of rhyming ones. Do them all. Why, buy, my, try. Where, there, here. Fantastic. Okay. Okay. I want you to practice reading some words. We have 9 words here, and your first job is going to be to go through and tap and read them. Okay, if you didn't finish, that's okay because now we're going to read them together. Stay with me. And remember, if it has a suffix S, we do the base word, then add it. Here we go. I'm not going to tap them. I'm going to practice connected blending. So I'm going to say all the sounds, but I'm going to try not to pause in between. If you still like to tap, make sure you're trying to tap them quickly so that you don't hear space and you can hear the word. Okay, try it with me. Fuss, fuss, hung, ink, bank, web, web, webs, shell, shell, shells, lock, lock, locks, ink, pink, sing, sing, ick, kick, kicks. Okay, can you find me a word that is plural, so more than one, and it's something you find at the beach? Which word would that be? Shells, good. What's the vowel sound in shells? Eh, eh. Um, hmm. Can you find me a word that has the vowel sound and a bonus letter? Here it is. Us, fuss. What does it mean to fuss? Yeah, if you're fussing about something, well, a baby could be fussy, and that means crying. Or if someone's fussing, maybe they're trying to get everything just right. Ugh, don't fuss. Don't make a big deal. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, let's do one more. Find me a word that has a suffix ending and a digraph, and it's something you do in soccer. Yeah, there it is. Kick, kicks. What's the vowel sound in this word? Eh. Very good. Okay. So yesterday we practiced reading words that have 5 sounds, and today we're going to practice spelling them. So when we do this, we really have to tap out each sound separately. That means we have to be able to separate them, even just the sounds, without even thinking about the letters. Okay? So let me show you what I mean. When we do Heggerty, a lot of time your teacher has you break up the sounds. So if I said the word stunt, you have to be able to break it up into all its parts. St, nt. And when we tap, that's what we're doing. We're breaking it up. If we don't break them all apart, we're going to miss some sounds and some letters. So with stunt, I would tap it out. You'll repeat it. Stunt. Say stunt. And then let's tap it. St, and then back to the first one. T. Okay. So we want to have 5 taps on these. And then we're going to go ahead and spell it out loud and try to build it. Okay. But we're going to make it a little different for this first time. We're going to use our blank cards. So let me go ahead and get a few more blanks. So these blank cards are cool because it helps us focus on the sounds more than the letters. So we know that's a consonant sound, and yellow is consonants. That's another consonant sound. Uh, that's a vowel sound, and we know our vowels are salmon or pink. Uh, mm, that one's yellow, and then so look at that. We have yellow, yellow, because there's a blend, and then pink for a vowel, and then yellow, yellow for another blend. This is how we would do stunt. Now we have to name the letters that would go on these. So stunt. S T U N T. And it's really helpful for us to spell it out loud before we build it or write it, because then it helps us picture it in our heads. And that makes our brains not smarter, it makes them spell and write and read more quickly. Okay, so let's try this. Repeat after me. Flunk. I'm going to put the colors up here after we tap it, and then you'll build it with letters on yours. Let's tap out flunk. Unk. That's a glued sound. So that's a consonant. Another consonant. Unk, a glued sound. It's got 5 sounds. So I want you to spell it out loud for me now. What letter? Unk, what letters? Good. Now go ahead, get your tile board, and build flunk. Pause if you need more time. You should have Flunk. Flunk. Okay, let's try another one. Repeat after me. Crisp. I like to have crisp peas. That means they snap when you bite them. Crisp. K, s. Okay, let me put my tiles up. That's a consonant. So we have 2 consonants, a blend. I. That's a vowel, so it's a pink card. Then we have a blend at the end. Right? We had 5 sounds for crisp. Here's our 5 cards. Spell it as I say the sound. And remember, it's usually C when it's a blend at the beginning. What letter? I. What letter? S. What letter? What letter? Okay, now build it on your board. K. R. I. 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 Make sure you have 5 letters. We said this word has 5 sounds and 5 letters. And check it with mine. Crisp. Here's our blend before, our vowel, and our blend after. Okay, spell it away. C R I S P. Crisp. Nice job. Okay, let's try another one. Repeat after me. Ranch. I love ranch dressing. Let's tap out ranch. And ch. What did we hear first? We know that's a yellow. Then we heard an. That's a glued sound. There's 2 sounds in it, but they're glued together. And ch, ch, ch. Let's add ch, ch, ch. That's a digraph, so it's going to be yellow. Okay, spell it for me. What letter? And what letters? Ch. What letters? Okay, build it. Use this to help you. It should be a yellow, a green, a yellow. All right, tap out what you wrote and make sure it says ranch, like the dressing, or like the dude ranch, where horses are. And here's what mine looks like. Ranch. Let's spell it away. Actually, before we spell it away, I've got an idea. Everybody grab the letter B and add the B. Now we have 5 sounds. We have a blend before and a digraph after our glued sound. What did it just become? It went from ranch to branch. Yeah, like a tree branch. Very good. Okay, now let's spell it away. B R A N C H. Okay, let's try one more word, my friends. Repeat after me. Blimp. A blimp is something you sometimes see up in the sky. It kind of looks like a big inflatable airplane almost and smaller. Sometimes it's an advertisement. Let's tap out blimp. B U I M P. So you definitely had to go back to your first letter. There's 5 sounds in blimp. So first of all, we hear B. What letter is that? Then we hear O. What letter is that? Good. Then we hear our vowel, our pink card. I, I, I. What letter is that? So we have bli. What letter is that? And last, we have another consonant, blimp. Okay, blimp. Go ahead and build blimp. You should have yellow, yellow, pink, yellow, yellow. I'm going to take this down so that I can spell blimp. Okay, tap out what you wrote for blimp, or not wrote, what you built, I should say. You should have your 2 yellows, your pink, and your 2 yellows. Check it with mine. What's our blend at the beginning? BL, our vowel, and MP, blimp. Let's spell it away. B L I M P. Okay, great job, everybody. Take your hand, pat yourself on the back. We are spelling and reading some big words. You're doing great. We used so many letters. The last thing I want you to do is straighten up your board. Make sure all your tiles are Velcroed on and they're in the right order and they look just like this. And then you can carefully fold it and put it away until tomorrow. Great job.